And I think that is going to do it. I'm just giving this one last buffing with a paper towel, try to get a bit of a sheen on it, although you can see that the mahogany has kind of soaked up the oil in the beeswax, whereas the cherry is actually a bit glossy. Now, as far as that goes, the cherry stripes, well, let's show you this side. Cherry stripes do provide a nice contrast to the mahogany, and so does the maple, although to be honest, I was a little bit worried about the maple coming out too bright, maintaining its color. But once I put the oil on there, it came out to that more of a, I guess, amber than the bright white that you normally get from the maple, and it's a nice contrast. Although I'm wondering if walnut maybe would have been, instead of the maple, would have had a more subtle effect, I guess. I mean, the cutting board that I have here, you can see the differences between the walnut and the mahogany, but yeah, just a little food for thought on that one. But anyway, the arcs from the inlay actually came out looking, you know, kind of how I expected them to, but they, you know, I could certainly put in different woods, which I just talked about, but have them run through the blank at different angles and in different locations with the blank. So you could get the stripes going down into the bowl itself, into the bottom of the bowl, and again, you'd get different effects from that, and certainly something that you can experiment with. And you're probably never going to get anything that looks bad. Just maybe some stuff that looks a bit more interesting than other stuff. So. Anyway, I think I do need to put another coat of mineral oil and beeswax on here. The mahogany is not, well, quite shined up as much as I would like it to. Although again, like I said earlier, it does have a nice sheen from the beeswax. It is a food safe finish, so it's a little awkward to work with. So anyway, yeah, I guess that's it. So I guess I will. Well, I guess I'll talk to you later. So. Bye.